Hi, I'm Allison, and this is my Sinatra application project for Flatiron School. I built a home inventory application where a user can record any items they have in their home inventory. They can include the date they purchased it, how much it costs, and information like that. So in case anything should happen, they have all that information right in one place. So I've gone ahead and forward clone the repo, and I ran build and install, so we're set there. So I'm just going to go and run shotgun so we can get this started. All right, so the first thing a user sees when they go to the home page is the option to either sign up or log in. I'm going to go ahead and sign up for a new account. In order to create a new account, a user has to enter a unique username. If they enter a username that's been taken already, they'll be prompted to enter a new one, and they also need to include an email and a password. So the first thing they see when they log in is their home page, and this will show you what you currently have stored in your home inventory. Since this is a brand new account, there's nothing there. So we'll go ahead and add an item. We'll start with a couch. And then the user also has an option to create a category for this item. So really this is just kind of a way for users to sort and organize their items if they want to. So we'll go ahead and create a category called furniture, and we'll add that. So once the item is added, a user gets a message that it was successfully added, and then you can see the message here has changed, and the items are now listed out below. So we'll go ahead and add a couple more items just to demonstrate some functionalities. So a couple things to note here. Now you can see that this has changed, and furniture is now a category that you can actually check off if you want to. And then the user can create a new category if they want. An item can be stored in as many categories as a user chooses. And then another thing to note is that in order to save an item, a user must enter an item name and a cost. So just to demonstrate what would happen if a cost was missing, click on add item, and they're prompted to enter a name and a cost. So we'll go ahead and add that dresser in. We'll save it in furniture. We'll also add another category. And we'll go ahead and just create one more. A coffee table. So now we have a nice list of items here. A couple other things that you can do is you see this categories link here. That's actually going to take you to a list of all the categories you have saved and tell you how many items you have within each category. So if we go to the furniture category, we'll actually see everything because everything we created so far is listed in furniture. And then another thing you do, you can see that these are all links. If we go home, they're also links. It's going to take you to the same place. So if you go to any one of these, you'll get the show page for the item. So it tells you all the information that you plugged in for it, as well as what categories it's stored in. The user has an option to edit the item if they need to update information. So maybe now that living room is a category, we want to save that in living room. So we'll update that. And you will get a message that it was updated, and you can see that living room is now added as a category. And then if for some reason you get rid of something or you sell it because you don't need it anymore, you can definitely delete the item, and you'll get a message that it was deleted. And you probably noticed that these categories are linked, so if you want to go to categories from here, you can get there as well. So you can kind of get to wherever you need to go from any page that you're currently on. So that's my home inventory app in a nutshell. I guess the last thing to do would be to log out. And that's it. Thank you.